95.
Hindi na mo.
Grabe, mahal na yun, uncle. Grabe ka. Buraot ka din.
May tawang nga rad. Lang may isang atubay tao. May isang ilaw.
Got it. Perfect. Now, let's pretend our hand is like kite and have it move forward like this. Good job. Maybe if we say the K sound really loud, another big animal will come out that starts with K. Try it with me. 1, 2, 3. Huge koala cat.
Hala, huwag mo na ilalagay yung mga print ay yung mga dot.
Hindi nga, yan ako na. Cases. Cases.
Ano pa, uncle?
Koala cases.
Ay, may isang ako ah.
Nya.
Ini tang. Ay, naka na.
Tang orange. Lychee. Orange.
How do we treat our friends? With kindness.
Can you pretend to be this one? How would you feel? If I were this friend, I would feel sad.
95, 85, 6, 25. 211.
Na,
211.
ang bilang nga 200.
11. Ano pa eh?
Wala, tanda nga dyan pa wita.
Ah?
Matanda dyan pa wita.
Pawit nga.
Smiling.
789.
Happy now. It's so nice to include everyone. Mr. Zapper.
That's it.
What's that instrument called? It reminds me of an instrument I know called the guitar. Hold on one second. Thank you. I'm good at the guitar.
Did you know that Dawood is the great grandparent
Oh yeah.
We need to figure out the name of the day.
211, 789 ang sukli niya, uncle. 6, kulang.
1, 2, 3, 4. Kangaroos. That means the number
5, 6, 7, 50.